Alright, tonight I've got the Duralux fan apart. Going to try to eliminate that vibration. I'm thinking it's just the bearing needs oiled. The inside of it was rather filthy. Get that cleaned up. This is something different than what I've seen before. This has a sealed shaft, front and back. It has what looks like an oil hole, but it's filled with, I don't know, some kind of, not paper, but some kind of cloth. Front and back, it's sealed like that, but you can see, maybe, lining up with it, there is a spot for oil to come through. So when I put it back together, I'm going to put a couple drops of oil on the shaft, get the bearings lubricated, and I'll drop a couple oil in from the top. Not seen one before that's closed shaft on the back, but I'll throw a couple drops of lube on it from a couple angles and put it back together, see if it'll get any better. Alright, we are back together and oiled, and let's see if it's going to sound better. Much better. And that thing pulls a lot of air from behind. Ha ha ha. A little bit of cleanup and some oil was all it needed. Give it one time from the front. I've been using this as my primary all-night fan until it started doing that, and I just now have the time about 2-3 weeks later to look at it. Outstanding. Spin down time on it's still pretty good too. Yeah, tomorrow I'll run my standard checks on it to make sure the motor doesn't get too hot when it runs for too long, and it'll be okay to leave it on overnight, and this bad boy will go back into daily service. Yeah, still nice and cold. Awesome.